These 6 foods are destroying your kidney health. As we navigate the complex landscape of food choices, it becomes increasingly clear that what we eat can nourish or endanger our kidneys. The delicate balance maintained by these bean-shaped organs is crucial to our body's overall well-being. The kidneys not only filter waste and excess fluid, but they also regulate blood pressure, balance electrolytes, and help with the production of red blood cells. While genetics and general lifestyle contribute significantly to good kidney health, the foods we eat can also contribute to the destruction of these vital organs. In this video we will discover the 6 common foods that are destroying kidney health, but you don't know it. High sodium foods. Sodium is an essential electrolyte for several bodily functions, including maintaining fluid balance, transmitting nerve impulses, and supporting muscle function. However, today's diet, characterized by the prevalence of processed and fast foods, often undermines the balance necessary for good kidney health. The consequences of excessive sodium consumption are very worrying for kidney health, as the kidneys play a fundamental role in regulating sodium levels in the body. High sodium intake can lead to high blood pressure, a major risk factor for kidney disease. The kidneys, responsible for filtering blood and removing waste, face an increased workload when blood pressure is high. Prolonged strain on the kidneys can contribute to damage over time. Processed foods and snacks, known for their high sodium content, contribute significantly to this silent danger. From canned soups to snacks, these convenience foods often hide their sodium content behind tempting flavors. To reduce the risks associated with high sodium foods, a paradigm shift and choosing fresh, whole foods is imperative. Eating fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet not only reduces your sodium intake, but also provides essential nutrients that support overall health. Additionally, seasoning foods with herbs and spices, rather than relying on salt, can further aid a kidney-friendly diet. Cola and dark sodas. Cola and dark sodas, popular for their effervescence and flavor, contain a component called phosphoric acid that poses a significant threat to kidney health. This acidic compound, although it provides the spicy sensation characteristic of these drinks, has been associated with an increased risk of kidney stones and potential damage to kidney function. Phosphoric acid, in excessive amounts, can lead to the formation of kidney stones, which are solid deposits that can cause severe pain and impair the normal functioning of the kidneys. Furthermore, the high sugar or artificial sweetener content in these drinks poses an additional threat. Excessive sugar consumption is linked to obesity and type 2 diabetes, both of which are risk factors for kidney disease. Choosing alternatives like water, herbal teas, or fresh juices not only reduces your phosphoric acid intake, but also promotes adequate hydration, an essential aspect of kidney health. Raising awareness about the potential dangers of these popular drinks is crucial to encouraging individuals to make informed choices for the well-being of their kidneys. Caffeine and carbonated drinks. Caffeine, a natural stimulant found in coffee, tea and many energy drinks, is a subject of debate when it comes to kidney health. In moderation, caffeine has been linked to certain health benefits, including improved alertness and cognitive function. However, excessive consumption, especially through energy drinks and beverages high in caffeine, can lead to dehydration. Dehydration, a condition in which the body loses more fluid than it takes in, poses a direct threat to kidney function. The kidneys depend on adequate hydration to effectively filter waste and maintain electrolyte balance. Prolonged dehydration puts a strain on the renal system, which can cause kidney damage over time. Carbonated drinks, in addition to the caffeine problem, often contain phosphoric acid similar to that found in cola, posing an additional risk to kidney health. To find a balance, moderation is key. Choosing drinks with lower caffeine content, such as herbal teas, and ensuring you drink enough water, can help protect kidney function while still allowing you to enjoy caffeinated treats. Processed meats. Meat, a rich source of protein, is a staple in many diets. However, processed meats, including sausages, deli meats and bacon, pose a unique challenge to kidney health. Packed with salt and preservatives to enhance flavor and extend shelf life, these tasty indulgences can pose risks to kidney well-being. The high salt content in processed meats contributes to increased blood pressure, placing further strain on the kidneys. Furthermore, the high protein content, although beneficial in moderation, can become problematic when consumed in excess. The kidneys, responsible for filtering waste from protein metabolism, can become overwhelmed by a diet high in processed meats, which can lead to kidney dysfunction over time. Opting for lean protein sources like fish, poultry, legumes, and plant-based alternatives not only addresses the risks associated with processed meats, but also aligns with a heart and kidney-healthy diet. Taking a balanced approach to protein intake ensures that the body's nutritional needs are met without compromising kidney function. Alcohol abuse. Alcohol, consumed in the form of a drink and socially widespread painkiller, can have serious effects on kidney health when consumed irresponsibly. Although moderate alcohol consumption can have certain cardiovascular benefits, excessive alcohol abuse poses a considerable threat to the kidneys. The main mechanism by which alcohol affects kidney function is dehydration. Alcohol inhibits the release of an antidiuretic hormone, leading to increased urine production and subsequent fluid loss. Dehydration, in turn, forces the kidneys to work overtime to maintain water and electrolyte balance. Prolonged stress on the renal system can contribute to kidney disease and related complications. Furthermore, excessive alcohol intake is a recognized risk factor for the development and progression of kidney disease. Alcohol metabolites, along with the inflammatory response triggered by excessive alcohol consumption, can damage kidney tissues over time. For individuals concerned about their kidney health, limiting alcohol intake and ensuring adequate hydration are crucial steps to safeguard kidney well-being. High potassium foods. Potassium is an essential mineral for several physiological processes, including nerve transmission, muscle contraction, and maintaining fluid balance in the body. However, for individuals with kidney problems, overeating foods rich in potassium becomes a harmful task. Fruits like bananas, oranges, and tomatoes, as well as vegetables like potatoes and spinach, are rich sources of potassium. Although these foods are essential for a balanced diet, excessive potassium intake can be problematic for those with compromised kidney function. The kidneys, responsible for filtering excess potassium from the blood, can have difficulty maintaining an ideal balance, leading to hyperkalemia, a condition characterized by high potassium levels. Collaborating with healthcare professionals to tailor potassium intake to individual needs is critical for those facing kidney health challenges. Monitoring food choices, considering potassium content, and taking a personalized approach to nutrition empowers individuals to support their overall well-being while managing the potential risks associated with potassium-rich foods. The 6 foods highlighted in this video are not necessarily to be avoided, but should be consumed in moderation, especially by individuals with pre-existing kidney problems. Adopting a kidney-friendly diet involves eating fresh, whole foods, choosing lean protein sources, and monitoring your nutrient intake to maintain a delicate balance. You can also consult healthcare professionals or registered dietitians who can provide personalized guidance, ensuring that food choices are aligned with your kidney health needs. By taking proactive steps in our nutritional decisions, we can significantly contribute to preserving kidney health and overall well-being. I trust that you enjoyed the content, and click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, enable notifications, and share the video with your friends and family.